Recently, our Vice President Hamid Ansari was in the Turkmenistan city of Mari to sign the TAPI agreement. This is a gas pipeline agreement between Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India. The Turkmenistan President, Mr. Mohammadev, the Afghanistan President, Mr. Ashraf Ghani, and Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, and of course our President, were the signatories to this agreement. Turkmenistan has the third highest gas reserves in the whole world. And after that country left the Soviet Union, it has been cut off from the Russian gas grid. And therefore, it has to find other ways to sell its gas. And that is the origin of the TAPI. Now, India is slated to get 50,000 crore cubic feet of gas per year. And Pakistan, that will look after about 15% of our requirement. Pakistan will also get an equal amount, and that will look after more than 25 to 30% of their requirement. If the pipeline comes through, it is useful for all the countries that are connected, and it will once again establish a connection between the Southeast Asia and Central Asia as it existed before the British Empire was established here in India. But this 1,725 kilometers pipeline will pass through Taliban territory of Afghanistan and Pakistan. Will they let the project come up? And the project having come up, can the countries guarantee security to the gas pipeline against Taliban? These are questions which are important. But if it can be solved, if it can be looked after, it is very useful, because along with the pipeline will be a fiberglass fiber grid going along the line, and also high voltage electric connection running along the same line. So, it is a very useful project if it can come through. India has got alternate plans. In case it does not come through, it has to take the gas to Iran and get it from there to Mumbai via the sea route, in which case the gas is bound to be costlier than it would be if we could get gas by the TAPI. There is also another gas pipeline in the run, and that is the Iran-Pakistan-India gas pipeline. If Pakistan is willing for that, it is okay. Both countries, all three countries, can benefit from the gas and oil that can come out of Iran. But in case Pakistan is not in a position to join this plan, then India can always get the gas through the sea route to Mumbai. Somewhat slightly costlier, but it is a feasible proposition. In any case, if the TAPI, that is the Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India pipeline gets through, it is likely to be beneficial to all the countries through which the gas pipeline comes through. Also, we will be paying a rent to Pakistan, and therefore that could most probably bring the two countries closer. So, let us hope the agreement goes through. Friends, if you have liked this video, please press like. Also, please share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Your comments, if you can append it at the bottom of the video, it will be very useful for me for the future. And above all, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.